Where are all my crafty champions? Gather here and let's do this beautiful bowl in a few simple steps. Before we get right into it, I'd like to say a massive thank you if you're already a subscriber of this channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I'd like to say thank you as well. But if you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and hit on the notification bell just so that you'll be notified anytime a new video is uploaded. So what you've just seen me do here is to cut my bowl legs. I've also gone ahead to pre-cut my bowl itself. I'm not going to be giving you measurements in this video because you can do the bowl to any size of your choice, but we'll just walk you through the steps. I'm going to have to keep quiet at some point and let you watch the rest of the video as it rolls out. All right. As we're about wrapping up, I'd like to talk to you about our upcoming event, which is our annual fundraising event, the Red Carpet. This year is been themed Threads of Triumph. The Red Carpet is a 3-activity in one. It's a fashion show, an award ceremony, and an exhibition where the women in the dressmaking class will make garments to be modeled on the runway, and we would also get to exhibit and sell all the works we've done throughout the year during the exhibition. And then we'd also get to award all the women who have contributed to the growth of Skilled Hands, as well as those who performed exceptionally this year whilst they joined our workshops. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give our video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share as well. Until we meet again in our next tutorial video, stay safe. Bye.